Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on developer option in your Realme 6i. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you have to go on your device settings section. After click over there, you have to scroll all the way down and then you can click here about phone. After click over about phone, you have to click here in version tab. After click on version tab, we're going to see here a wheel number. You have to click here 7 times to turn on developer option. You can see now it's saying you are now a developer. It's like maybe 4 times. Let me go back, check it is available or not. You have to go here in additional setting, and then if you go in additional settings, scroll down, we're going to see here developer option. So this is how you can easily turn on developer option in your Realme 6i. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.